Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's vlog. Today is the 17th episode in the biology series. In this episode we are going to discuss about the skin, hairs and nail systems. Yes, so in the last episode we discussed about the muscular system, which is another system, another bodily system. So this is the third bodily system we are going to discuss. So there is one system that extends over the entire surface of your body, known as the integumentary system. A confusing name. So another name for it is the skin, hair and nails, because this integumentary system has these skin, hair and nails. Yes, so obvious. Yes, so it consists of the skin, hair and nails, which together cover and protect the other body systems against the outside world. So this system is like, its main use is to protect the body from any other temperature, everything. Yes, so it is very useful. Yes, so the skin is the largest organ of the body. Yes, this skin is one large big organ. Yes, it is just one full organ, not just many organs stitched together. It is one full organ. Yes, so the skin is the largest organ of the body, wrapping it in a waterproof and germ-proof barrier. So the skin is like a barrier from the outside world. Yes, so it is the barrier for the body. So the body is inside it, the outside world is of course outside it. Yes, so so it is also essential in helping you to touch and feel things around you, to control the body's temperature and to filter the harmful rays from the sun with the harmful UV rays. So it also senses the body temperature, and we can also feel with the skin. Yes, so it has nerve endings all over it, here, even here. Yes, so everywhere there's a nerve ending. So that's why even if we can't see anything, I can feel what is in front of me. Like if I touch, here is the wall, I think. Yes, so it is actually the wall. Yes, so that is the use for feeling, touching, sensing those things. Yes, so hair and nails provide extra protection for some parts of the body. So the nails protect the fingers and the toes. Yes, because they are very important, like grabbing things like this marker. Yes, so it is very important. Yes, so and also the hair. So the hair is everywhere, but everywhere it is in small parts, except the palms and the soles of the feet. So in the head there's a lot, because here is the brain. So the brain is very important for us. So it protects the brain from many other injuries. Yes, so that's so because this brain is a soft thing. Yes, so this hair will cushion the force a bit. Yes, making less damage to the brain. Yes, so that is the importance of the hairs. Yes, so they grow from the skin and are made from dead cells of a tough substance called keratin. So the hairs are made of keratin, the nails are made up of keratin, but of course this skin is not made up of keratin. It is made up of course, skin cells. Yes, and also tusks of elephants are also made up of this same keratin. The rhinoceros tusk, many things are made up of keratin. It is very tough, but the hairs are not tough. Yes, but these hair are actually very tough. They can even withstand the weight of an elephant if all of the hairs were there. Yes, so an elephant can stand on all the hairs. Yes, so without the hair just breaking. So for example, this hair is on a platform which has like a stand under it. If there's an elephant, it will not break. It will just be here, and it will just a bit bend. Yes, so because this hair is like flopping. Okay, so okay, the skin has two main layers. The epidermis is the thin protective outer covering made up of mostly dead scaly cells. So that's why we have this color. Yes. And beneath it lies the thicker dermis, which is rich in blood vessels and nerve endings to sense pressure, temperature, and pain. Yes. So now, hair stands of bendy hair cover almost all the body surface. So they are over here, they are over here, they are over here. Yes, so they are everywhere, even if we can't see them. They are very small. So that's why we can't see them, while these hair on the head are very long. That's why we can see them. Yes, long means compared to the other hairs of the body. Yes, so hair grows from follicles which are deep pits in the skin. Yes, so they are very small with gaps. So 16% of your total body mass is made up of only skin. 16%. That's a lot. 16%. Yes. So now the protective shield of our human body. So the skin protects the body while being flexible enough to let you move around easily. Yes. So it is so flexible that we can move around like this, just using our legs like this. Yes. So we can do anything, not anything but many things. Yes. So we can't fly with our skin. Then the skin will just go out. Yes, because it is not that flexible enough. So the hair on your head keeps you warm and gives the scalp an extra layer of defense. So fine hairs on the rest of your body make you more sensitive to touch because of these hairs on the body, not on the head, but these hairs all over the body. These help us make more sensitive to touch. So because of these we are more sensitive to touch. Yes, so now I will explain this diagram of the skin, what is inside the skin. Yes, so okay, so this is the diagram of the skin. Yes, so first there are three main layers. So here is the epidermis. This is the main layer we see. So this is the outer layer. Its color comes from melanin, which is produced over here in the root of this hair. Yes. So here is a hair follicle. Next, the second layer is the dermis. Yes. So the dermis has many things. The nerves, the hair follicles, many things are there in this dermis only. And finally the fat layer or the hypodermis. So in here fat is stored. Very simple. Fat is stored in this fat layer. Yes, it's very simple. So now the individual parts of the skin. So first are the sensory receptors. These are nerve endings. So nerves go from here and they are all over the skin. Yes, so these are mainly nerve endings. So that's why we can feel touch mostly. Yes. So next is the arteries. So there are arteries going all over and also veins which are also going all over. Next, these are the hair follicles. There are lots of hair follicles. There are 5 million hair follicles on all our body. I don't know who counted, but they did their job very good. Yes. And who counted that? Yes. So next, sweat glands. Because of this we have sweat and sweat pores which sweat releases out from. And next, the oil glands. So these oil glands produce oil. So here is the sweat gland, here is the oil gland. Yes, don't be confused with them. This produces sweat, the liquid which cools our body. And next, the oil gland, which keeps our hair preserved or something. And finally, the erector muscle. Yes, so this erector muscle is used to make goosebumps. So if we are scared, these hairs will go straight and this erector muscle will go up a bit, making the small bump. That's why a goosebump. Yes, and also a corpuscle. So corpuscles are like this one. They go like this and or like this. It runs in them. So these corpuscles have a very good use. So these mainly sense vibrations outside. Yes, so sometimes when you hear a large sound, you feel a bit vibration like this. So yeah, that is the use of these corpuscles, the Pacinian corpuscles. There are many types of corpuscles. Yes, so this is about the skin, hair and nails for today, and again in another episode of biology. In the next episode, I'm going to discuss about the main hair and nails. So in this episode, I discussed about the skin mainly. So next episode, the hair and nails. So remember that next week. So this is for today about this system. Bye.